Hey everyone, it's Trisha at Acres of Dreams, and I'm working on this, which was a doghouse, and we've been using it for a generator cover, but I'm making some modifications to it, and I'm going to move it. Right now, I feel like too close to the road, um, and it was servicing the tiny house, but now this is the new cover for the tiny house, and I'm going to use this cover once I clear out with the tractor, clear this area right out here. I'm going to move this back off the road, and then it will service the tankless hot water heater that's in the changing house, our bathhouse, indoor bathhouse, and it will also run the air conditioner. These generators, I mean, I am sold on them. I really am. I love my Harbor Freight quiet generators. They are the bomb. So I decided to make that modification to this one. I'm almost done. I have to cut off some tin and then I screw it in, and then this one will be ready to go. But I did finish this one today. And I also have just one sheet of tin to cut on the one for this tiny house. And then we ran the trench, and I say we, I didn't run the trench. Robbie ran the trench. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zones now. So I have 5 water zones, and so it won't be long, hopefully within the next 2 weeks, and I will have timed water in all the areas so I can keep my flowers happy. Yeah, because we got a little bit of rain last night, but I mean, as you can see, you can't even tell we had rain. But this was a little bit different. Shape, I decided to go with like a shed roof style on this one. And then I'm going to have, right now it has a 25-foot cord coming out of the tiny house, and it was run across the street, and I just don't like that. So I'm going to get a 40-foot cord, maybe a 50, and I'm going to run it across through here and then turn and bring it over here where it will plug in to the generator on the front. This is the front side. And the back side is just leaning, but I'm thinking I'm going to put a hinge or 2 hinges on that pallet, and then have it to where you can just open it when you're running the generator and close it when you're not. I mean, the whole purpose of having these is twofold. Number one, these are quiet generators, and they're the Predator 5000s, and I'm telling you, I just love them, and they're so quiet. But you can put them inside here, and it just muffles the sound even more, and it keeps them from getting wet, so that if it rains, you can still run your generator, because you don't want, water and electricity don't mix, so you don't want water pouring into your outlets that you've plugged your house into while it's raining. So we did get some rain last night, and this one was fine. I checked it this morning, no rain inside. And it has a pallet that's plastic that's just leaning up against it, and it's very lightweight. And I think I'm just going to leave that so that when people come, all they do is just take it down, lay it down on the ground, and then that'll be open on the end. I have one piece of tin left, as you see over there. Let me zoom in a little bit if I can. I don't know if I can zoom in. I guess I can't. Anyway, it's one little piece of tin for each side, and I'm done. So this one, I am very, very much thinking I will do hinges, and then the back is a pallet with metal on the back. Let me show you. It has metal already on it, so it's attached, and it's just leaning here against the container. Okay. And so there you can see it. And so if I do hinges, then whoever is renting could just come and open and leave it open so that it can, have the exhaust be able to go out. So anyway, I'm thinking that's what I'll do with it. And if not, then just like the other plastic one over there, people can just take it and drop it down on the ground. And then when they're done, they can lift it back up. So that's where we are. And I'm so excited that It shouldn't be but a week or two maximum, and I'm going to have water in 4 different locations. I'm just so excited. Oh no, I'm sorry. We added one, 5 zones, 5 zones. So anyway, I hope that you've had a wonderful weekend, and I will be back here tomorrow afternoon sometime, and I'll keep you posted at the jobs I'm doing for this last week to get ready to get everything to where we can open. It's exciting times out here at Acres of Dreams. Love you guys. Remember, always move faithwards. Till next time, be sweet. Love y'all. Mwah.